So this week we are talking about just the young people. Are talking specifically to men and mentors and dads, grandfathers, uncles, whoever's out there. As a society, as men, you guys, we need to step up to the plate. As I said yesterday, this week we are shooting from our campsite here at Basora, this farm where we camp, and we are here with our senior boys. An amazing space. I mean, this is a wonderful space to be in. And just looking at these boys, and some of them we've been mentoring for such a long time, and it's been, just every moment with them is so precious because their hearts are so precious. But the one thing that we have to understand, yesterday we talk about how important it is to teach them who they are and whose they are, that identity. Guys, I mean, identity is such a crucial thing. I mean, so many of us listening to this even right now, and myself, this isn't so much of this is new for me as I'm trying to work into the space and just trying to understand my own identity. But we absolutely have to teach these boys the heart of God. We have to show them the heart of God, and we can't do that if we don't have that identity in ourselves, if we don't know who we are and whose we are. And so that's something that we need to make sure we settle for ourselves. But we have to show our boys the heart of God, and if you want to show them, if you want to get God into their lives, if you want to get them that concept, then you have to get into their hearts too. You have to make a time to spend in that space with them. It is going to be crucial if you want to, help them to win back some of this territory. One of the things that we do, a boy that grew up with an absent father. I take myself for example. Grew up with an absent father. No one taught me the heart of God at all. No one showed me that. No one exposed me to that amazing love and space. And then I walk into a corporate church, in a very religious environment, and there's this expectation that I would, I would just grasp, what does it mean that God is my Father? And so I look at God, my Father, and I'm going, well, then if that's the Father picture or the concept, then obviously he must be absent too. Maybe he's grumpy too, maybe he's abusive too, whatever that space is for you, with what you knew about your father. And if we don't go back into that space and help them to show them God's heart, then how do we expect them to understand and have a relationship with him? So today, I want you to think of a way that you are going to, maybe you're mentoring already. Maybe you're just hearing this for the first time, and maybe you can find a space and just think of how can you take that picture, that concept, even for yourself, but also out there, and show these young men what God's heart really looks like.